Hello everyone and welcome to our video on introducing our Flipgrid platform that I'm hoping will help you sort of become a bit more comfortable with and that we can have some fun using. So we've introduced what's called a Flipgrid platform, and what that is you can create kind of fun little videos that will help within our discussion board. Or discussion boards rather. So you will in fact see your first Flipgrid video in our Unit 2 and you will notice that it looks just like this. So the question you will be asked to respond to is, what is the best advice you've ever received and how did it change your perspective on life or on a particular situation? Now, when you go to respond to this question, it's kind of giving you some background in regards to why we're asking you to respond in this way. So first and foremost, it gives us a little bit of a break from typing. It allows the opportunity to put some kind of faces to names and make it a bit more fun, interactive, hopefully engaging, where you get more from the actual discussions and perspective of others. As well as part of our curriculum expectation, we have what's called an oral communication mark. Now, rather than having this course a bit more presentation kind of heavy, we were hoping to kind of split it up and divide it up where we sort of meet those expectations in more of a creative and fun way. So that's kind of why we're introducing Flipgrid. So this is, like I said, what you are going to see and what you're going to respond to in Unit 2. So what I've done, I've actually just made, we kind of had some fun with the program and sort of testing it out and playing with it. You will notice that is our lovely other teacher, Carolyn Tully. So we were just having some fun with it and trying to play around with the program. So I'm in fact going to show you, if I were from a student view, how to in fact make a video. So we had a kind of for fun question, what is your favorite TV show and why? So when it comes time to actually when you are ready to respond to your question, you're going to press the big green plus sign. Your video will come up. Hello, everyone. So it will look like this. Now, as I said before, in other news feed and sort of updates, if in the event you are uncomfortable with recording your face, that is okay. So what you can do is once it pops up, you can cover your camera like this. And in fact, you can allow the program to just record your voice. And that is perfectly acceptable. So it's up to you how comfortable you are within the program, but you can still utilize it without having necessarily your picture shown. Okay, so please don't let that intimidate you or scare you off of it, because there's ways around that. So here we go. Here's our question that appears once again. What is your favorite TV show? So you press your big camera here, red button, gives you a countdown. So my favorite TV show, I would have to say, guiltily, would be Grey's Anatomy. I've been watching it since the very beginning. I am a diehard. I am invested. And it does not hurt that those doctors tend to be somewhat good looking. So that is my response. Your responses will be so much better than that was, but just to give you an idea. So once you have recorded it, you press the green arrow, which will in fact allow you to preview your answer. So my favorite TV show, So we're not gonna have to watch that again. So you preview your answer, press next, then it says your picture will be displayed. So it's called snapping a selfie. So this it's kind of like a thumbprint, right? So you just press it, and I'll make a quick little fun thumbprint. There you go. That's my fun thumbprint. It allows you to put stickers on it, have some fun with it. It's meant to be kind of fun and wacky. Again, not to be taken too seriously. There we go. There we go. Another way to cover your face if you'd rather do it that way. So let's just say I'm perfectly happy with how that looks. Now, it's going to ask you for some information. This information is absolutely secured. It's just for the actual site itself, so please don't think it's going anywhere else. It's not. It's asking you basically so that your peers can in fact identify who this is. That's all. And there it is. So now we have 2 videos of which respond to that specific question. And then what happens is you can play it. So my favorite TV show, you can play it, you can respond and comment to others, you can like it. etc. And you can respond, which you will be in fact required to do as well as you go through. So you can respond and reply to your peers through video as well as comments. And remember, just like any other discussion, we're keeping this positive and respectful. It's just we figured this would be a great way to get more interactive with each other and create that sense of community, while of course responding to key components in our material and in our curriculum. So hopefully this video helped, guys. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to ask your teachers.